Welcome back to another Zoog tutorial. In this video, we'll be exploring the notifications page, where you can find Zoog requests, new Zoog releases, as well as any reactions you've received from family. So let's go to the notifications page inside of the app. And as we scroll down, we can see all sorts of announcements about new Zoogs being released. We can see reactions from family members that have viewed our Zoogs, as well as requests from family for new Zoogs. And if we click on one, we are taken to where we can read it. We can also select it as a favorite by clicking the star, or share the Zoog description with someone else. And that's the Zoog Notifications tab. Thank you for using Zoog.